In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to Otter API. By the end, you'll have your Zoom account linked so Otter can transcribe and organize your meetings automatically, all in one place. Start by opening your browser and going to otter.ai. Sign into your Otter account if you aren't already. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Integrations. This is Otter's gallery of connected apps. You can browse around here to see what's available and what's already linked to your workspace. For our purpose today, we'll focus on Zoom. Find the Zoom integration and select it. On the Zoom tile or page, click Add. That kicks off the connection flow and opens a secure Zoom sign-in screen. Here, enter the email address associated with your Zoom account, then your password, and click Sign In to proceed. If you don't use a direct email and password with Zoom, you can choose an alternate sign-in method. Click the option that matches how you normally access Zoom. You can use SSO if your organization signs in with a company domain. You can also use Apple, Google, Facebook, or click Microsoft to continue with your Microsoft account. Any of these methods will authenticate your Zoom account for the connection. Just pick the one that aligns with how your Zoom profile is set up. After you sign in successfully, you may be asked to review what Otter can access from Zoom so the integration can work. Go through the details and continue to allow the connection. When authorization is complete, you'll be brought back to Otter's Connected Apps area, where you can browse and confirm that Zoom now shows as connected. If you don't see it update right away, give the page a quick refresh. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're using the Zoom account you actually host or join meetings with, and that your organization allows third-party integrations. If your company uses SSO, you might need your organization's domain or to complete your usual company login steps. If a pop-up was blocked during the sign-in, allow it and try again. And if you ever need to adjust or remove the connection later, come back to the same Connected Apps section in Otter to manage it. That's it. You went to Otter, opened integrations, browsed the gallery, chose Zoom, clicked Add, signed in with your preferred method, and confirmed the connection. You're all set to have your Zoom meetings flow into Otter for effortless transcripts and searchable notes.